Hi, it's Charlie again, and today I will be showing you how to connect your EV3 Brick to Bluetooth on a computer or a mobile device, and I'll also show you how to get the software on both. So first, for the computer, you will look up software to get you started, Lego Education, and then press on the first result. You will scroll down a little and then press on Lego Mindstorm's Education EV3. Scroll down some more and then select which type of computer you have or device and select which language you like. And since I've already downloaded it, I will now show you how to connect it to Bluetooth. So open your Lego Mindstorm software. It can take a minute. And then here is my brick. Go over to the tool and click on Bluetooth. Make sure that visibility and Bluetooth are checked off, but iPhone/iPad/iPod is not. And then enter. Okay, so it's loaded, and now you're going to press on New Project. I will be doing a new program. Then open it. You should see it pop up here somewhere. Okay, and now you will see that my brick is already available on here because I've connected it before. If it's not available, just refresh it. And make sure that your device's Bluetooth is on. And mine is. So I'm going to press on it now, and it is now connected. Now I will show you how to do it on a mobile device. Okay, so I already downloaded the app, and it's called Lego Programming. So I open the app, and so I will make a new program. But I actually recommend doing it on the computer because the computer, if you can see here, it has more options compared to a mobile device. Because on a mobile device, you only have 3. So this is how you connect. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is on, which mine is, and press on that. Look at available bricks and connect. Oh, I forgot. First, make sure that you go to Bluetooth and iPhone/iPad/iPod is checked. You go down, and now it is available on here. It can take a while to connect, and so now it is connected.